Oh, I didn't think we had SeaWorld fireworks tonight on Sunday night, but we do. They're beautiful too. Just pretty as can be. Had to run over so I could see him. I didn't even think I could see him from here. I heard him, so I ran over. You know, the thing is, you actually see them go off, and then you hear the boom, boom, like on these two later. Because sound travels at a different speed than light, so you'll hear 3 booms, another 3 booms, one big one, another one, and you'll hear 3. Yeah, so like I'm trying to say is the sound is actually delayed in real time. So you see it before you hear it. Beautiful. So, another day in the life of Mike. Here we are. That's how it ends. Tomorrow's a big one too. Much bigger than today. Wow, those are so pretty. There's some new high-tech fireworks this year that they didn't have before. And there's the trolley going by. And the grand finale, folks. Well, thanks for tuning in tonight. And subscribe to my channel. And I'll show you some more stuff over the next week. Pretty cool.